Hey guys, this is Suji.
Bring that ass back like a boom 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 boom.
And this is my first YouTube video. So let me give you a disclaimer. I'm not a YouTuber, I'm not an influencer. The sole purpose of this video is for my Insta family who have been showering so much of love. So this video is basically to do with our beauty.
Bring that ass back like a boom 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 boom.
I mean, I definitely believe in inner beauty, but also we need to groom ourselves. This video is something to do with our lips. Trust me, if you have beautiful lips, any women would come up to you, and for that you don't have to go to the doctor or that cosmetologist, right? Yeah, I can't even pronounce it, but let me just tell you, I've never gone to one. This video is strictly for men. You know, women are not allowed because women don't have facial hair. I think they do, but not as much as we do. Without much more of blabbering, we should get onto this video. I'll show you 3 tricks which you can just do at home with things that's available at home. Alright guys, for my first step, we need a very essential thing.
Boom 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 boom.
So basically what you have to do guys is that treat your upper lip skin as a white liner. So for that, we'll be trimming off 3 millimeters from our actual lip line and make a illusion lip liner.
Boom 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 boom.
Now guys, it depends on you how you want to shape your lips. Since I have a natural cupid's bow, I'm just gonna follow the line as my natural lip line. But if you want to get a lip shape like maybe Brad Pitt, you can also do that guys.
Boom 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 boom.
Can you see it? And smile and you just check your cupid's bow. So I'm done with my first step and my lips look a little bigger, sharper and sexier. For the second step guys, you need a brush, salt, baby oil. So what we're gonna do guys, we're gonna put it on our lips. We're gonna take this bowl, dig in our mouth with this bowl of salt.
Never give up.
We're gonna take this brush, yeah, and gently we're gonna brush it. And I'll be right back. And I'm back! And guys, notice this. My lips look much pinker or much more pinky, and it looks much bigger. So after the second step, this is the result. Do you find the difference? I do. Alright guys, so getting on to your third step, get a lip balm. Smear it on your lips. You can just kiss yourself, like.
Bring that ass back like a boom 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 boom.
Wait for a good 2 minutes and
bring that ass back like a boom 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 boom.
So guys, whenever you're out and you're trying to get that perfect pout before a selfie, you can do this, which I do. So guys, this is it for today's video. I hope you hated me, laughed out crazy like what the fuck is this person doing. This is not making sense. I hope you felt that. But even if you have not felt that, so guys, I'll just tell you that this is helpful. And if you like this video, like it, share it. And if it's helpful, try it on yourself and post before and after pictures. Tag me on Instagram. My Instagram account is apnasur, and hopefully I get to see some good results and some pouty.
Bring that ass back like a boom boom boom.